Dear students, in the previous online class, we have learned how to use interrogatives who, where, when, why, how, which, whose, and what to make or to form questions. Today, we are going to learn special uses of the interrogatives what and how. First of all, let's see the special uses of what. Number one, what for means why. For example, what did you do that for? It means why did you do that? Next example, what does he come here for? Means why does he come here? Next, what plus be dash like. It is a request for description and can be used for things or people. First of all, let's see how it is used for things. Example number 1. What was the exam like? We can answer it. It was very difficult. We can say it was easy. Next example, what was the weather like? We can answer it was very windy. Next example, number 3, what is the food like in your hostel? We can answer it, it is quite good. Next example, when this expression is used for people, it may concern either appearance or character. Number 1, what is he like? We can answer this question in 2 ways. Number 1, he is short and fat and wear glasses. That means this answer concerns with appearance. And next answer, he is very talkative, friendly man. That means this answer concerns about character or nature. What does he, she it look like? This expression concerns appearance only and can also mean what does he, she, it resembles. For example, what does she look like? Answer, she is tall and glamorous. Next answer may be she looks like a film star. Example number 2, what does it look like? It is black and shiny. It looks like coal. Next expression, what is he? Means what is his profession? For example, what is his father? We can answer he is a tailor because tailoring is a profession. D. What time? This expression is used to know time. For example, what time is it? We can answer it is 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 12 o'clock. This way. E. What kind or type? This expression is used for description. What kind of music do you like? We can answer classical music, folk music. We shall see now special uses of how. A. How many? Countable quantity. How with many is used to know countable quantity. For example, how many birds are there? We can answer 1 bird, 2 bird, 3 bird. That means we can count birds. B. How much? Much is used with how to know uncountable quantity. How much sugar is there? Answer, a lot, little, very little. We can't count sugar. We can't count material. Next one, how long? This expression is used to know duration and length. Duration means time duration. How long will you stay here? We can answer 2 weeks. How long is this cable? In this question, we want to know the length of cable. We can answer 2 feet, 3 feet and so on. D. How often? Frequency. That means happening of any event. How often do you go to gym? We can answer every day. Next one, E. How far? This expression is used to know distance and degree. How far is the railway station? Answer 2 kilometers away. How far is the news true? That means we want to know the truth of news. Absolute we can answer or %. How old? This expression is used to know age. How old are you? We can answer I am 17, I am 18, I am 20 and so on. So friends, we have learned the special uses of what and how in this class. Now you have to make at least 2 examples of each expression on your own. Now let's conclude our class here and see you all in next class. Thank you.